So I heard something the other night, right? Along the lines of somebody was asked why they don't rap no more. And he was like, man, I'm almost such and such age. And it made me think, out of all the genres of music, why is hip-hop the only one that's got an age limit on it? It also makes me think, what's the substance in your records talking about? Because if they don't hold up and stand the test of time, and if they age out, you probably shouldn't have been around here in the first place, bro. Pick that pen back up, man. Life didn't stop because you got old. Pick that pen back up, man, and get the rapping, cuz. Somebody need to hear that. I'm gone.